we're going to talk about 4 systems. We count them: 1, 2, 3, 4. A little extra. Maybe it's an extra at the end of the show that you can't live without. So, and I won't prolong it. CRM, website, payment processor, and QuickBooks. I repeat, a CRM. Now we'll kind of deep dive into each one of these. A payment processor, a website, and QuickBooks. And some people may use QuickBooks as their payment processor, but it's 2 separate things. You got to be able to collect the money, and you got to be able to account for your money. Yeah. Don't be like me and be late on taxes and be charged. Yeah, I have a bookkeeper now, so that's not gonna happen.
I was gonna say you get
That's good. That's good.